Good evening. Yeah, a few days ago, I had shown you guys this coin right here, this Buffalo nickel, that I picked up on Great Collections last week. Actually, last Sunday was the end of the auction, not this past Sunday, but the Sunday before that. Truly nice example, but there was a +1 in this group. I bought 2 coins. And, yeah, I'll just go ahead and show it. It's a 1855 quarter eagle. This is a Liberty head design. Yeah, I received this, and I wasn't really going to buy it because I was looking for something else. And, you know, I was like, you know what? Shoot. I'm just going to go ahead and pull the trigger, and there you go. This is my first gold coin in about, I would have to say it's about 2 years. I don't know if you guys recall, I did that video on the tribute coin, the God, what do you call it? The Mercury dime, anniversary coin. The U.S. Mint, if you guys remember, made the Mercury dime, Standing Liberty quarter, and the Walking Liberty $half in gold for that whole year. And the whole series was just a hot deal. You know, they sold out, you know, relatively quickly. I think the $half and the quarter, you know, took a little time, but that was my last foray into gold. And I got this bad boy, and I'm like hooked, like you would not believe. Granted, it's no St. Gaudens or anything, but whew, this is pretty cool. I mean, it's a straight grade AU50, you know, it's got a lot of meat. You know, you got a little bit of, let's see if I can find my trusty mechanical pencil here. So it's got a little bit of kind of like that mint luster in the protected areas of the coin, you know, the stars, you know, around the central figure right here, the bust of Lady Liberty, and within the date, you know. But the fields, you know, it's a coin that is circulated at one point. When and where, it remains to be seen. But I'd like to say, you know, the Old West, how awesome would that be? And there is a reverse heraldic eagle, of course, made popular, you know, with all of the seeded Liberty coinage. A lot of the federal coinage going into like the capped bust $half, and you can't really say it's been overdone, even though like every single verifiable series, you know, short of the 2-cent pieces and the 3-cent pieces, used this reverse, and it is chef's kiss. It's amazing and beautiful. So a little bit about this particular coin. Okay, it's not rare, but with the mintage being, and I'm reading it right here out of the red book, 235,480. It's not the highest, it's not the lowest, and while it seems like a very small quantity compared to, you know, today's mintage standards, that figure seems to be in line with a lot of the Philadelphia pieces that came out. Now, there were a few dates that had mintages that were into the millions, or million. For instance, 1851 had 1.372 million. 52 was 1.1, and 53 was the highest at 1.4. So that was the high. Oh, actually, 1861 with the old reverse was nearly 1.3 million. So there was four dates that exceeded the million-piece threshold. This one, you know, for a Philly mint was relatively low. The interesting part about these coins is that if you could get past with paying the premium because it is gold, they're relatively affordable even with the lower mintages. Like I'm reading right here, in 1856-0, which is a New Orleans coin, has a mintage figure of 21,100, and it is a few bucks over this 1855. So, and there is a number of dates, okay? There are, I think, a few in here. They even dip down under 10,000 pieces that you could buy for real close to the actual Philadelphia counterpart. This one was under $300, and it's a really nice example. And I think I'm inclined to buy more. I've collected Eagles, the $10, and I've had I still have them. I have about half a dozen of the St. Gaudens. They're not my rarest or my most valuable finds, but they're coins that are, in terms of precious metals, man, there's nothing better than gold, right? And platinum and some of those others. But yeah, this is my other acquisition from Great Collections last week, and rest assured, I'm going to be looking for more. Of course, later on down the line, I'm going to want to pick up my first Dahlonega mint from Georgia and Charlotte. Okay, those are the rare gold branch mints that you want to try and find, as they're worth the most amount of money. They seem to appreciate in value every year, and they have ridiculously low mintages. It seems to me that the entry point for an acceptable graded Charlotte or Dahlonega mint gold is somewhere in the $2,250 to $3,000 range for something that is, in the AU range. Okay, I've done some research here in the last week or so, and that's what I've discovered. But I think I'm going to work my way toward that and see what happens. But yeah, this is a really fine example, guys. And again, I haven't bought a gold coin in 1.5 to 2 years. And I don't know why I haven't, because the gold is addicting. It's like your favorite drink, right? But yeah, this is a really nice example. And I thank you guys for joining in this evening. I wish I had more, but I just have gold. But one that really didn't break the bank, and acceptable grade quality, so I'll take it any day. It's seen some life out there in commerce, no doubt. As always, if you guys enjoyed tonight's video, go ahead and hit the like button right down there, and feel free to subscribe, Blue Ridge Silverhound. Hit the bell for instant notifications. When you do, you gain access to all of the newest content as they're made available and uploaded by yours truly. And as always, you guys enjoy the hobby. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you on the next one sometime tomorrow, of course. You know me. And yeah, I'll see you then. You guys take care. Have a wonderful evening.